So this is the MPOW brand wired computer headset. Model is PA071A. So this is one of the best out there in the market. A lot of people buy it. Amazon itself has around 14,000 reviews. So I'm going to use it for like online classes. It's one of the best out there for that. So this is the unboxing basically of MPOW wired computer set. I ordered it from Amazon, so I'm going to unbox it. Already they normally test it out before like sending it. So the outer cover is removed. I'm guessing it looks like just a carton. So you can remove it. Already the outer covering is removed, as you can see. There is no tape attaching it. There's no seal basically. So it's understood that they removed the outer cover. So this contains the headset and the extra. It has 2 years warranty. This is a warranty card. Free 2 years warranty is there, and you can go to their online website and activate it once you receive this. And this is the catalog, menu. And it's just giving a basic instruction on how to use it and different parts. So this is a menu. It gives instruction leaflet. It gives a lot of instruction on how to use it, how to connect it to your laptop or desktop. So these are the things you got here. We have the warranty card, the leaflet, instruction leaflet, the headset itself with the microphone, boom microphone, and then we have the extra attachment. And we have the extra attachment, which in turn connects to the. It's like an adapter which connects to the PC. Basically, you'll be connecting the headset to the adapter, which in turn connects to the PC. So this is unboxing basically. One other thing I noticed about this headset is that it might look small in the picture, but it's comparatively bigger for your ear. Back part, cushion area. So if you want to know further about the headset, it's the speaker diameter is 40 mm, sensitivity is 103 plus or minus 3 decibel, working voltage is 5 volt, the length of the cable is 2.4 meter, or in feet you can say 7.9 feet. And impedance is 16 ohms. Mic sensitivity is minus 46 plus or minus 3 decibel. Frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. And connectivity is basically a USB plug plus 3.5 mm audio plug. This is the USB plug, and this is the 3.5 mm audio plug. So this is the main part of the headset. So now I'm going to tell about the main features of this headset. You have the adjustable boom microphone. This is adjustable, you can change the position. Then 2-in-1 line control, 3.5 mm and USB connector, which I explained earlier, enhanced digital audio, built-in noise reduction sound card. So even though it's like a budget best quality headset out there, I've read about the review that it has some, I'm talking about the cons, it has some issues with the noise reduction. It's not as good as like the one of the expensive advanced ones, but it's quite enough for your general day-to-day purpose. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share. Thank you for watching.